It's your special day, honey. I can't believe you're 4 years old already. Time to blow out the candles on your cake. Make a birthday wish. I love you, honey.
I remember. On my birthday, it was the cake that made it special. But how are we gonna get her one?
Get one? No, that's not gonna happen. We've gotta make it, but problem is we're not allowed to cook. What do we do?
Pretend? I guess it could be a pretend one. Dad might bring home a real one.
Whatever works. Come on, it's time to turn that frown upside down. Cheer up. She's gonna love it, promise. You just gotta believe. So what do you say, Sparkle Pop?
All right. I'll do it your way, but I won't like it.
Sure, if you say so. Oh. Okay, please don't cry, Kongsuni. Yo, listen. We're running out of time here.
Oh, yeah! Got it!
What?
All the best cakes are covered in candies and lots of whipped cream. So, I know where we keep that stuff. We can make Mom's birthday cake look real.
As long as nobody eats it, I guess. If it looks super real, you've got to make sure they know.
They'll know it's a pretend cake. Promise.
Oh. All right, then let's do it. What are we waiting for?
And welcome!
On today's cooking show, we have Master Chef Kongsuni. A few words?
Huh? Who, me? Hi there.
Ugh. Don't you want to say something about what we're making in the kitchen? You know your mom's C-A-K-E?
Right. Can you tell me again? I kind of forgot about it.
Can't blame you. It's been a long day, all right. We're here to make a cake for your mom, remember?
Yes, we're making her a birthday cake and we're putting sweet things on top of it. What do we have? These things are made of different fruits. Let's use them all, the whole tub.
Cool. Hi. Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to make a beautiful pretend birthday cake.
It's always fun when we play baking.
Yahoo!
We start with flour, the very best. Pour in some milk, it's the next step. Now stir it up, remove the clumps. That's our special recipe.
Kongsuni bakes awesome cakes for many occasions.
Yeah!
This one is a special cake. It's for her mother's
Here we
birthday.
go! It's always fun when we play baking.
Yahoo!
We stir it up to remove the clumps.
Then decorate with special care.
I love the colors, the special candy. Now it's ready for my mom.
Kongsuni makes anything she does look easy.
Yeah!
Now we have a special cake ready for the party.
Check it out.
Come on. What's this big surprise, dear? I can't see a thing.
Perfect. You're not supposed to. Kongsuni, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2,
1.
1.
Surprise, Mom! This yummy cake is for you. It's your special day. We love you.
What's going on? Oh, so much suspense. You know, you are such a kid.
Just have a seat and keep them closed. Kongsuni, all set?
Ready, Dad?
Okay.
3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Surprise, Mom! This yummy cake is for you. It's your special day. We love you. Mom, blow out the candles.
Huh? She's right. Make a wish.
Oh, and make sure you keep it a secret.
That was sweet. I honestly thought you'd all forgotten.
It might have slipped my mind. But then Kongsuni reminded me.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
Daddy, you didn't remember that other thing?
Oh, right. Silly me.
Huh?
These are for you.
roses, my favorite. They're so beautiful.
And look, there's this. I made it. It's a card.
Aw. You wrote this all by yourself? Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Wow, it's a wonderful card. I'll treasure it forever.
And these are coupons. I made them just for you whenever you need something. Kongsuni power to the rescue.
Let's see, what are they? Oh.
Coupon 1. Super fresh orange juice from Super Kongsuni. Be very careful not to spill and never add salt.
Oh.
Coupon 2. Pretty fresh flowers for Mommy when she needs cheering up. But only flowers we know are okay to pick.
Aw.
Coupon 3. 1 hour playtime with Chloe, but only careful and gentle games.
Beautiful. Just look at it. I can't believe you did all this just for me. Oh, I'm sorry, my darling. I know that I've been a little impatient. Let me make it up. We can go do arts and crafts in my office.
Yeah, okay, that sounds like fun. But are you sure that you aren't mad at me?
Come here. Oh, no, Kongsuni. I'm the happiest mommy in the whole world. Oh, really, I mean it. I'm so proud of you. You know that, right? Thank you for a great day. Every day I spend with you is a joy. But today I feel extra special.
Good, because you are special, Mommy.
Ahem. Time for cake yet? I'm getting hungry.
I suppose. Looks good. Where'd you get it? The new bakery in town?
What, who, me? I didn't get it. I thought you two baked it together.
Okay.
Hang on.
Kongsuni?
Enough talking. Let's get back to the cake. You're gonna be surprised.
Oh, all right. Huh? That's weird. It's really hard to cut. Honey, did you get the cake on display?
Like I do that again. Here, let me try.
Done it. And no one noticed it was pretend. Yep. Thanks to Sale. And the best family ever. Happy birthday, Mom.
Princess! Dragon Slayer!
Your Highness, I have defeated the dragon.
I smelled its breath!
Was it stinky?
Super stinky!
Ew.
And that's how the Dragon Slayer saved the kingdom. Remember, brush your teeth, because nobody likes dragon breath.
Know what, honey? You were a perfect tree. Right, Chloe? I don't think we've ever seen a better tree.
But I didn't want to be a tree, Mom. I like princesses. They're pretty and they're important.
Every part's important, just in different ways.
No, mine wasn't. Nobody really notices a boring old tree. Even a frog would have been way better. Mom, I really like playing pretend. And you said that I'm good at it.
You're a very talented actor.
So how come teacher wouldn't let me play all the parts? I could have been a good horse, you know. There wasn't a horse, so I got stuck as a dumb tree.
A nice tree.
Mom, you're not listening to me. You don't get it.
No? You want to show your talent, but so does everyone else, right? Now.
This isn't fair.
Oh. Huh?
Yay, found it.
Oh, police! Yo, Kongsuni, what is up with all the noise? Oh, I am trying to take a nap.
What's so funny? This is my princess dress.
And it's pretty, but it's too small. You've grown way too tall for it. I see London, I see France, I see someone's underpants.
What a surprise! Kongsuni, it's a very beautiful dress, but you've grown. You'll need something a little bigger.
I don't know. It feels all right.
Off before it rips more.
Aw, why so glum, Chum?
My dress ripped. I wanted to wear something nice, but see? How am I supposed to be a real princess? I don't have a costume.
Hey, we'll figure something out. Come on. What you think?
It's too hard. I need a big gown and a tiara and some shoes. It's just way too many things.
That's tough. Hang on a minute. Nah, that won't work. I've got a magic stick that'll do the trick. It's showtime.
Huh? Sayo, you're the best friend in the whole world.
A fort's way too small. You need a castle. Yo?
Really?
Of course. Can you picture it? It's right there. Oh, dear. Late again. This won't do. Princess Kongsuni, where are you? What's taking you?
I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, sire.
Princesses must always be on time. It's proper, you know. Slow and graceful steps.
Got it.
No more running. No more skidding around corners. One step, two steps, glide with grace. Think you can remember that?
Uh-huh. I can give it my best try.
Perfect. All right, Kongsuni, time to begin your lessons. The first step is to be graceful. It starts with balance and confidence. If you can keep those plastic plates from falling, you're one step closer to looking like royalty. Top marks, dear princess. Wonderful. Now to step things up a notch. Balance and confidence. And plastic. Oh. A princess must know everything about everything, or at least a little something about something. History of dragons, unicorn behavior, and let's not forget fairy languages. We have much to do, my princess in training. Ready? Never fall asleep at the table. It's very bad manners.
Right, okay. Huh? I have to read all of that? Hang on. Isn't there some kind of easy way that won't take forever?
There's no other way. Read a little bit at a time, like you're counting grains of sand. It won't take you forever, I promise. Just 100 years.
Wow, looks so delicious.
Hold it right there! You must learn table manners.
But I'm starving.
If you want to be a princess, then you have to learn to eat like one.
Wait, you mean with my pinky up?
Not even close. You'll get it. Takes lots of practice. So worth it. So yummy.
Come on.
Oh.
Sorry. Kinda.
Next.
Huh?
Everybody knows how this works. It takes courage to kiss a frog.
Wouldn't a gummy frog work?
Not if you want to find true love. I've seen lots of frogs, and this one seems like a real prince in disguise.
Wait, do I really have to do it? I mean, really? All right, I'll do it, but not because I have to. Ugh.
A princess never keeps a prince or a frog waiting. Ready?
Once. And I'm not gonna like it. And I'm not gonna do it again. I was right. The end!
Now it's time to learn one last thing. How to dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and step. 4 and swish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not bad. Once more, from the top.
Being a princess is hard. I don't think I can do it.
You must. The royal ball is coming up. You want to make a good impression at the big crystal ball, don't you? Atta girl, now back nice and straight. Big relaxed breath. And exhale. Into position. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I thought this would be more fun. I'm so tired. Huh? Hey, wait a sec. I never had a sleepover in a castle before. Huh? Maybe I'll get breakfast in bed. I hope so. I bet there'll be waffles and whipped cream and strawberries a mile high.
She looks fun. I wonder if she can dance. I mean, without stomping on my toes. Stomped toes are the worst. Your Highness, good afternoon. May I ask you to have the first dance with me?
Sure. I mean, yes, of course you can.
I can't believe that this is happening.
You are a dream come true. I feel so special when I'm with you.
We're meant to be forevermore. Prince and princess happily.
Lovely prince and princess, elegantly dancing. I hope this love story has a very happy ending.
And now I see the future's clear to me.
It's not a dream, it's our new life. And we will be forever one.
We're meant to be forevermore. Prince and princess happily.
Lovely prince and princess, elegantly dancing. In this love story, dreams come true.
Your Highness, you are so very graceful. You glide like a swan. What an honor. May I ask your name, Twinkly Toes?
You can call me Kongsuni. My name means that I'm smart. I can do anything, unless I just dreamed about that last part.
Princess Kongsuni, my ring is a pledge to protect you.
Huh?
Your Highness, you have my word.
Let's go! Hurry!
No, I'll stay. Who cares if talking owls are dragon bait? Not me! Okay, yes, me!
Kongsuni, I've got this. Promise. Go on. Hey, what?
Is it stuck? Let me try.
Thanks. I guess fake swords can be tricky. And now, back to the dragon. This is for you, Kongsuni.
Oh boy, you're clumsy.
What you gonna do, right?
Kongsuni, what's up? Didn't you hear me calling? What are you up to in here? Anyway, I've been thinking about how you need some new dresses.
It's okay. I don't need fancy costumes. 'Cause Sao, never mind.
Gee, that's a shame. So you don't want to see what I got you then?
Sure I do. What is it?
Ta-da!
Ah,
It's gonna look perfect on you.
thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, although you look perfect anyway.
Mommy? You can take it back. I don't need it.
Why?
'Cause I have an idea that's way more exciting.
I can't keep up with you from one minute to the next. What?
You have to guess, Mom. First hint, it's something way better than playing castle.
Wait, you mean... Nope, no idea.
Watch, I'll show you. Muscles like steel. Almost nothing can stop her. Introducing the one and only Super Kongsuni.
Oh, you have special powers?
I can knock down dragons. Kapow!
Oh.
Don't tell anyone. You know what? I'm so strong I can take down a dragon.
You can?
Ha! It's Super Kongsuni coming to the rescue, helping little baby sisters all over the planet. I'll save you! Ah!
Hold on, I'll get her.
Wow! Super Kongsuni sure has lots of energy!
What are you doing? No standing on furniture. Not even if you're a superhero.
But Mom, Super Me has super clean feet. I've got this totally under control. Trust me.
All right, just promise that you'll only use your powers for good. Oh,
Huh?
shh.
Mommy, how come Daddy's still not home?
Because a sick doggy needs his help.
Huh?
He'll come tuck you in when he's all done, okay?
No, I want to stay up instead. Please?
You've already had a long day, right?
Aw.
You fought dragons, and you were a Supergirl.
Aw. How come I never get to wait up for him?
Aw, big girls need sleep. Supergirl, sleep tight. Supergirl, night, night. Oh,
Huh?
shh.
Mommy, how come Daddy's still not home?
Because a sick puppy needs his help.
Huh?
He'll kiss you goodnight when he gets home later.
No, I want to stay up instead. Please?
You've already had a long day, right?
Aw.
Trying on dresses and having adventures?
Oh, I wish there was a way I didn't have to go to bed.
Aw, tomorrow's a new day. Supergirl, sleep tight. Supergirl, night, night. She's a superhero now, haven't you heard?
Love you, sweetie. Be a good girl.
Lunch.
Thanks, hon. It's gonna be super busy at the clinic.
Wish I could help more. Go, dog doctor. Hope it's a good day.
Thanks. I'll do my best.
Bye.
Good.
Mom, I'm up.
Morning, sleepyhead. Hope you're hungry.
I'm starving.
You ready? Come and eat, sweetie.
Mommy, is Daddy in the shower?
No. He left already. The clinic's so busy, he had to go to work early.
No fair. I wanted to play a game with him. Daddy shouldn't work ever.
If he didn't work, then who would save the pets? They depend on him, but you're still his special girl.
Dad likes the sick animals more than he likes me.
Of course that's not true. Come on, let's eat up. Then we can go to the park.
Round and round, all over town. Nobody's faster when my bike is around. Round, round, all over town. Nobody's faster when my bike is around.
Yes, hello. Hi, how are you? No way, seriously? Oh, good one. Oh, not bad. Busy with the kids, you know.
Huh? Oh, it's so sparkly. Is that new? Didn't you have a different bike before?
What? No. My daddy just fixed the old one up. I like your bike, too. It looks kind of dirty, though. Did you ride it in the mud? Wait. Oh, yeah. You and your dad went biking through the forest. That's why it's dirty. I remember now.
You're right. You know, my dad's really busy saving puppies lately. They love him, but we'll go again soon. Maybe you can come next time.
Okay. That sounds like fun. Gotta go. See you later.
Coming through! Huh? Look at me! A rocket! Your training wheels are off? But how did you?
It's easy. My dad taught me. Vroom, vroom. Get your dad to show you.
Dear puppies, can I please have my dad back?
Look at me.
Huh?
Watch out. Coming through.
Your bike's fast. Hey, you think? Could you teach me how to ride a bike like that?
Sorry, I can't. I've got to go play with my neighbor. See you later.
Everyone's too busy to play with me today. I'm so bored.
Oh, that's perfect. 10 o'clock works just fine. Okay. So, Chloe, looks like someone's got a play date this morning.
She does? Who is it, Mom?
Oh, one of my work friends has a baby the same age.
What about me? I don't want to stay home. I want to have a play date too.
Good, 'cause you and Dad are gonna hang out.
Huh? We are? Just us? Today?
He took the day off, but he's sleeping, so not till he wakes up.
Aw, really? But Mom, I'm bored.
Why not play a game? Something fun, just until Daddy wakes up.
Play a game? Ooh, I already thought of the perfect game. It's called Wake the Dragon. Yay! Thanks, Mommy. Ha ha!
Yay!
Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, still warm.
Dragon!
She's louder than a fire alarm. Oh.
Dragon, wake up! It's time. Come on! This won't work. Hold on a minute. I know a way that will make him wake up. Fire drill, fire drill, fire drill!
Huh? Where? Who?
What?
Oh dear, oh dear. Where's the fire? Honey,
Where's that?
where am I?
Stop, drop, and roll.
Kongsuni!
Stop, drop, and roll. Oh, man.
Chloe! Honey? Where is everyone? Honey, we have an emergency here. Don't just stand there. Do something.
You must have been dreaming. Eating pickles before bedtime?
Me? Of course not. So you mean there's no reason to panic?
I tricked you, Dad. Surprise!
Tricked me? Why would you do that, Kongsuni?
I got bored waiting for you to wake up.
Ah, you know what? Nothing's boring if you use your imagination.
Oh, yeah. True, you know. That's how I have fun when I'm not with you. Play and pretend, and while I take a lot of naps. And speaking of...
I'm gonna head out now. Honey, check the table. I've made something special for you. Plus, I packed you a nice lunch to take to the playground later. Kongsuni, have fun with Daddy. Don't forget to wash your hands after playing outside.
Huh? Come on! What's taking you so long? I want to go outside and play.
Almost done. Just one more.
Oh, I just thought of something we could play together.
Let's hear it.
Okay. You're a big whale eating fishies.
Oh. Great idea.
Another one! You gross, Dad. You dropped it.
Good. The game is on.
Boring.